It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. Cherry eye in dogs. What it is and when to seek help. Cherry eye in dogs is a prolapse of the tear gland in the third eyelid. If you notice a red bump in the corner of your dog's eye that wasn't there before, it could be cherry eye. We'll talk about this canine eye condition, including the signs and symptoms of cherry eye in dogs, as well as treatment options and prognosis. Here's what pet owners should know about cherry eye in dogs. 1. What is cherry eye in dogs? Cherry eye in dogs occurs when the tear gland in the third eyelid pops out of position, causing a red bump in the corner of the eye. Unlike humans, dogs have not 2, but 3 eyelids in each eye. This third eyelid, called the nictitating membrane, sits inside the lower eyelid and provides an extra layer of protection for your pup's eyes. It also contains an important gland that produces a significant amount of your dog's tears. Sometimes, the ligament that holds this gland in place stretches or completely detaches from the orbital bone. When this happens, the gland can pop out of place, known as prolapse, and become visible above the eyelid. This causes a condition called cherry eye. 2. Cherry eye symptoms. The early onset of cherry eye in dogs is fairly easy to spot. The telltale sign of cherry eye or prolapse of the third eyelid tear gland is a pink, fleshy swelling in the corner of the eye. This bump is usually in the corner closest to the nose and is similar in shape and color to a cherry pit, hence the nickname. The condition can occur in one or both eyes. The good news is that early-stage cherry eye in dogs isn't painful. In fact, your pup likely won't even realize anything is wrong. But over time, it can make your dog prone to dry eyes and infections, so it shouldn't be ignored. The tear gland on the third eyelid is responsible for 33 to 66% of your dog's total tear production. When a prolapse occurs, the tear duct doesn't function normally. For healthy eyes and overall comfort, it's critical to preserve this gland and put it back in its proper place. 3. What causes cherry eye in dogs? Cherry eye can affect any dog, but some factors make some dogs prone to it. Some breeds, such as English Bulldogs, Cocker Spaniels, and Cane Corsos, have a genetic predisposition to this condition, usually within the first year of life. Other dog breeds that are prone to cherry eye include Basset Hounds, Beagles, Boxers, Boston Terriers, French Bulldogs, Rottweilers, Saint Bernard, Mastiffs, Terrier breeds. In general, breeds with shorter snouts, many of which suffer from brachycephalic syndrome, as well as toy breeds and teacup dogs, tend to be more likely to suffer from cherry eye than their full-sized, longer-snouted counterparts. And young dogs, puppies less than a year old, are the most susceptible. 4. What to do if you suspect he has cherry eye. If you think your dog has cherry eye, contact your veterinarian as soon as possible. While it's not a medical emergency, the condition can cause health problems over time. If left untreated, cherry eye can damage the tear duct and cause chronic dry eye. The gland can also swell more over time and restrict blood flow. Because swelling makes your dog more uncomfortable, he'll be tempted to scratch or paw at his eye, increasing the likelihood of damage and infection. 5. Cherry eye treatment. At the first visit, your vet might prescribe drops to reduce inflammation. These drops can also provide the moisture needed for comfort and eye health. But eye drops are not a cure for cherry eye. Typically, the recommended treatment is surgical relocation of the gland, not removal, as it preserves the important tear-producing function. Your vet should be able to properly preserve and relocate the tear gland with a simple procedure. When it comes to cherry eye, ointments and topical treatments won't fix the root problem, and your pup will likely need surgery down the road anyway. Cherry eye isn't life-threatening, and the vast majority of dogs live full lives with healthy eyes. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.